Looking to light up your modern gardens? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Oakham solar Bollard lights. Let's get into it. Our Oakham solar Bollard light is completely cable free and runs on its own. It measures at 41 centimetres tall and 8.5 centimetres deep. This light offers 12 lumens of brightness and is energy efficient. It has a soft warm white glow and is perfect for modern garden homes. Let's have a look inside the box. So inside the box we have the instructions, the screws, the stake and the ground mount, the light head and the light bollard. The first thing you're going to want to do to set up these lights is attach the light head to the light bollard. You then need to choose whether you want to stake your light into soft ground or drill your light into hard ground. Simply attach the relevant parts to the bottom of the bollard and you're all good to go. To turn these lights on, you're going to need to press the power button on the underside of the light head. Press the button once to activate power saving mode. This provides up to 12 hours of low brightness runtime. And then press the button a second time to activate full brightness mode. This can give you up to 6 hours on a full charge. If you ever want to replace the batteries, you can unscrew the back cover on the solar panel with a screwdriver. You'll need to carefully remove the dead battery and replace it with the new one. You can find these batteries on our website. These lights have a built-in dusk sensor, so if we cover the solar panel, it tricks the lights into thinking it's night time and the light turns on. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.